Hi everyone, this tutorial is going to teach you how to have a customizable landing page without an app or subscription, and also have a alternate dash home with nested section or changeable section. So this is our landing page. It should not have a footer or a header, and also you can add a section right here and you could manipulate or change it or like rearrange it. Anyway, on our landing page, we're gonna have this button right here, and when you click it, it should direct you to our alternate dash home. On this one, you can change the section, and then for me, I have it set at featured collection, but you can change it to slideshow and click save. You can set it up on how the slideshow is set up. You can always change it to either featured collection, slideshow, custom content, featured product, or collection list. Let's say you want custom content. You should have other options like change it or add a block or a text or a message right here. But this is only one section right here that you can change to other sections. This page should have a header and also a footer, but our homepage doesn't have one. Homepage is just the section that you're going to select. Let's check our website right here. So in our website right here, it should not contain any header or footer. And then if we're gonna click on shop now, we have our button set to the alternate homepage. Our page should have all the header and footer except the landing page. So the biking right here should have the header and the footer, and also in any other pages. But when you go to home, it's still gonna say, whatever you put on this page. We're creating a customizable landing page without an app or subscription. To start, we're gonna go to our Shopify store. We're gonna go to Home, Online Store, Themes, and then choose the theme that we're gonna edit, and then click on Actions and Edit Code. We're gonna go to our Shopify store, Themes, and this is my published theme. I'm not gonna edit that, but instead we're gonna use the debut theme. Actions, we're gonna edit code. Next, we're gonna go to a section folder and then create a new section and call it custom section. So I'm just gonna copy this one, Control C, and we're gonna create a new section. Click the add a new section and Control V to paste, and then create section. Next, we're going to copy this code right here all the way to before number 3. Control C and Control V here. So delete whatever code the custom dash section have and replace it with the code that we just copied. Then click save. Next, we're going to create a template folder. To add a new template, we're going to create a page. Template type is a liquid, and the file name is alternate home. We're going to go to our template folder right here. We're going to add a new template. We're going to have a page and then a template type of liquid, not JSON. And we're going to have an alternate dash home and create a template. On that, we're going to replace the code with this one here, all the way before number 5. So we're gonna Control A and Control V to paste, and then click save. Now we're gonna go to layout folder and add a new layout. We're gonna create a theme and call it alternate home. On our layout folder, we're gonna add a new layout. And we're gonna have a new theme, call it alternate home. What we're doing here is we are just duplicating that theme.liquid. Next, on our layout folder, we're going to click the theme.liquid and delete the section header and the section for the footer. We're going to go to theme liquid right here, and we're going to find the header, the section for the header right here, and delete that, and also the section for the footer, and delete that and click save. Now we're going to go to our template folder and add this code right here to all the templates in the folder except the index liquid, password liquid, and search liquid. I'm going to add the code right here on the very top. Ctrl V to paste and click save. So I'm just going to fast forward on this video. And we have to skip our index.liquid because that's our home page. Okay, I added the code layout theme that alternate dash home to most of the template right here except the index, search, and password. We're gonna go to publish the theme before proceeding. So we're gonna go to themes right here. We are editing the debut theme, so we're gonna publish it. And then we're going to go to our online store, pages, add a page, and we'll name it alternate home. Then change the template as alternate dash home. So we're going to create a page. We're going to add a page right here. And we're going to name it alternate home. And then in the theme template right here, we're going to change it to alternate dash home. If you don't have your theme published, you're not going to see this option. So click alternate dash home and click save. Now we're going to go to our online store, navigation, main menu, and then we're going to create a home menu and link it to pages and to our alternate dash home. So we're going to go to navigation. We are going to click main menu and then add a menu item. We're going to name it home. And we're going to link it to our pages, alternate home right here. And add. And I'm going to rearrange this. I'm going to put it on top and save menu. Now what's left is customizing the theme. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Just leave me a comment below.